Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare silica gel versus activated alumina. We'll explore their distinct properties, how they function as desiccants, and their primary applications. Understanding these differences is crucial for selecting the most effective material for your specific moisture control needs. This comparison will help you make informed decisions for various industrial and commercial uses. Silica gel is essentially a porous form of silicon dioxide, known for its excellent ability to absorb water molecules. It acts like a sponge, drawing moisture from the surrounding environment. You'll find it in small packets with new products, protecting them from humidity. It's also widely used in industrial air drying systems, effectively preventing corrosion and spoilage. Activated alumina, on the other hand, is a highly porous form of aluminum oxide. It's particularly effective at absorbing polar molecules, making it ideal for drying gases and liquids. This desiccant is very durable, with high crush strength, and maintains its integrity even at elevated temperatures. It's a staple in compressed air dryers and for removing fluoride from drinking water. When deciding between the two, consider your specific conditions. Silica gel is often more efficient at lower humidity levels and ambient temperatures. Activated alumina excels in high-temperature environments and when drying gases or liquids that contain polar compounds. Both can be regenerated, but their optimal performance ranges differ significantly, guiding your best choice for effective moisture control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.